Hello, my name is Mike. I'm with Easy Slider, and I just wanted to give a quick video of what we can do with your sliding glass door. The sliding glass door we have here makes lots of noise. It takes a lot to open. If it'll even open. And I'll be back in a little bit and I'll show you exactly how we can make this door work perfectly. And it'll be better than new. Thanks. Okay, this is Mike with Easy Slider again. I'm back at this door. I spent maybe a half hour to an hour fixing it. I replaced all 4 rollers in both panels. I cleaned and vacuumed the track, cleaned and lubricated all the weather seals. Now just remember, this door is over 20 years old and it has never worked this good. I'll give you a quick demonstration here. Just a light push, and there it goes. That panel opens itself. Never even worked that good brand new. Now we try to always use these type of rollers in these doors. They're precision bearing, high quality, the best you can buy, and they definitely make a difference. Thanks. Have a great day. Okay, let's go outside. Come on.